Alright guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at creating straight lines using the Bezier path tool. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series around working with paths, and I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. Now, when it comes to the path tools, as you can see, we've got these two paths here, and one is definitely more straight than the other. So when we're talking about creating straight paths, it's not so much about it being a straight path as it is being aligned to the horizontal, vertical, and maybe 45 degrees. So this will kind of just help you with that process. So now in order to do that, we need our Bezier path tool selected, which will be on our main toolbar. Third icon from the top, and as you can see, the shortcut for that is P. So we press that. Now we've got our, my apologies, wrong button there. Now we've got our path tool selected. So now what you can do to constrain your path so it's more straight, you simply keep shifting while you draw them. So now if I keep shifting, I can click, and then if I click here, it will automatically snap it more horizontally. Now if I go Control Z inside, which you can do, we'll go back to the first point. So now let me go a bit off, and you'll see it actually pops it on top of my crosshair. So it automatically straightens it. So this is very nice if you want to, you're working on design that's rather it's got a lot of points that are straight, but they need to stay quite straight, because otherwise creating a similar shape to this without it, you're going to get something more like this sample where it's a bit wonky and that. And then once you're done by the end, if you want to keep this an open path, you can either just switch to another tool, or on your design central panel here at the bottom, we can choose the first icon which says new path. That will leave it open path. We can also, the one next to it, click, and that will make a closed path. Can't quite see the whole tooltip there, but that's for closing the path. Or what you can do is, while you're still in your design, you can simply hover till the icon turns into a little circle. And as you can see there, if we do that, it says close path. If you click that, it will close the path. So that is it on creating close paths. So just a quick reminder again, you need your Bezier curve or Bezier path tool selected, and then you will do it with using shift, and you can make your custom shapes like this. You can also go in like 15-degree angles, 45, and so forth, but just keep in mind, if you had to, for instance, go too close to a point, okay, now it doesn't do it, but sometimes it will snap it to the point on top of it like that, because you've got shift selected. And then that is it on creating straight paths, or at least help you to create more accurate straight paths. And otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find what you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, and then we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.